Okay, today we do FIFA, but only the looks of the FIFA man. He's okay. He's a white man. No. Holland! I will tell you why he's a number one. Okay? He look like the white man, but you look his face. He's chocolate. He's chocolate inside. He's chocolate. Downstairs is chocolate. Yes, I know. I see him. Number one. Yes, dark chocolate, my favorite. Yeah. Zabala. I like him, but he put his pee-pee everywhere he go. Pee-pee here, pee-pee there. No. What is this? I don't know. What is that? Mbama! Mbama, I like you. You're a very nice man. Very good look. I like him, okay? But he's still baby. He is still cooking. Still cooking right now. Yeah!